everybody, it's Teacher Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready with our new lesson for today? Awesome! Since you're ready, let's go ahead and read. Stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Alright, so before we begin with our proper lesson for today, let's review our letters and sound. Alright, so let's start with this letter. What letter is this? Yes, this is letter A. And the sound of letter A is perfect. Yes, that is A. 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 How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter M. Mommy letter M and the baby letter M. What is the sound of letter M? Good job. Yes, that is M. M. How about this letter? Excellent. Yes, this is letter R. And the sound of letter R is R. R. How about this one? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter S. And the sound of letter S? Excellent. Yes, that is S. How about this letter? What letter is this? Good job. Yes, this is letter N. And the sound of letter N is N. N. How about this one? What letter is this? Letter L. And the sound of letter L is L. L. Perfect. How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter K. And the sound of letter K is K. K. Good job. How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter C. And the sound of letter C is K. Yes, it's the same. K. So yeah, that is the name of the letters and the sound. So ngayon, alam nyo na yung mga tunog, magbasa tayo. Okay? Alright, so since alam nyo na yung mga letter and mga sound, let's read. Let's start with our basic readings. Alright, so simulan natin dito. Ano ang tunog ulit neto? Tapos A. So, pagdudugtungin nyo lang yung mga tunog nila. Like, ma. Ma. Alright, how about this? La. La. Alright, how about this? Ra. Ra. Perfect. How about this? Na. Na. How about this? Sa. Sa. Perfect. How about this? K. K. A. Ka. Ka. And then, this one, same lang yung sound, okay? K, k. And then, A, K, Ka, Ka. Alright, so let's start reading. So, it's the same, tuloy-tuloy lang yung sound. Alright, so let's make a sound continuously like this. Ma. This one, ara. Ara. Perfect. How about this one? Asa. Asa. And this one, Anna. Anna. Alright. So, ang sekreto sa pagbabasa, dapat alam mo yung mga tunog ng bawat titik. Kasi kapag alam mo na ang mga tunog, madali ka na lang matututong bumasa, kagaya neto. 'Di ba? Simulan uli natin. Oh, make a sound continuously, okay? One more time. Ma. Ma. Ara. Ara. Asa. Asa. Anna. Anna. Perfect. Alright, so how about this one? It's the same. Pagsasama-samahin lang natin ang mga tunog. Alright, so let's start with this. A, lam. One more time. A, lam. How about this one? A, las. A, las. And this one, a, lan. One more time. A, lan. Perfect! Marunong ka nang bumasa. Basta alam mo ang tunog, marunong kang bumasa. Okay? Right, how about this word? Can you read this? Alright, so let me help you. So you need to make the sound of this letter first and the combination of this. Same with this too. Alright, so what is the sound of letter K? K. And the sound of A is A. Perfect. So let's combine the two. So that will be Ka. Ka. And parehas lang, di ba? Ka. Ka. So babasahin natin siya ng ka, ka. Good job. How about this one? It's the same lang ha. Same lang sa taas. Ka, ma. Perfect. Yes, that is ka, ma. How about this? K, k, ka, ra. Ra. So that will be ka, ra. Perfect. How about this one? K, k, ka, sa. Sa. So that will be ka, sa. Paano naman ito? Parehas lang. So itutunog lang muna natin to. K, k. A. Pagsamahin. K, ka. And then na. Na. So that will be ka, na. And this one is k, k, ka, la. So that will be ka, la. How about these 5 letters? Kaya na bang basahin? Hindi. Kaya. Kayang-kaya yan. Basta alam mo yung mga tunog. Simulan muna natin dito. K, a, a, So that is the sound. So let's combine all the sound together. That will be ka, nan. Madali lang, 'di ba? One more time. Ka, nan. Good job. How about this one? K, k, a, u, a, So that will be ka, lan. One more time. Ka, lan. Perfect. How about this one? Let's make a sound first. K, k, a, u, a, s. Alright, so pag sama-samahin natin ang lahat ng tunog, that will be ka, las. One more time. Kalas. Good job. How about this one? Let's make a sound first. K. A. L. A. So let's combine together. That will be ka. Lam. Ka. Lam. All right. How about this one? What is the sound of this again? U, a, k, a, s. All right. So let's combine together all the sounds. So that will be la, k, k, kas. One more time. La, k, k, kas. Perfect. Great job! You already know how to read. Let's clap our hands. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.